What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error RG45 at chess.com. First off, head over to Google on your browser and then in the search bar type in chess.com. After typing, you will be redirected to the homepage of chess.com. Now on the left side, you can see the option of sign in and login. So if you are new to chess.com, just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have logged in, simply click on login and then you will be automatically logged in with your email ID and password. Now, after coming here on the left side at the bottom, you can see the option of support. Click on this. After that, a new window of support section will open and click. Then you can just click on contact support. Now, after that, an AI assistant will help you and support you. Simply click on get started. And when it asks you about your problems, just be specific because only and only then they will be able to solve your problem. Now, when this find your answer now message pops up, just simply type RJ45 error and then hit enter. After that, it will show you all the results about the RJ45 error, like I'm getting error code RJ45, what should I do? Simply click on and then you will find the whole answer of how should you solve this RJ45 error. As you can see, this is the solution of the RG45 error, and this is how you can fix the error RG45 at chess.com. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.